Nina the Food Doc here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've had these power balls, and they were so good that I decided that I want to try and make them on my own. So I'm going to try this for the first time today with you. They're called peanut butter power balls. They are vegan, and you get 9 grams of protein per serving, and they're really tasty. So let's get started. So I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter, which is a protein source, by the way. Let's see. And I am a stickler for measuring stuff out, so I'm surprised I didn't have it already measured out, but hey, it's one of those days. Alright, so we're going to start with the peanut butter. That was 1/3 of a cup, and I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Already measured out. It's very rare that I'm going to not have my stuff measured out. So, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. But I don't have a 3/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to measure out 1/4 of a teaspoon 3 times. Now the recipe calls for salt, but since my peanut butter already has salt in it, we're not going to add any extra today. Alright, so we're going to stir this up. Okay, so we're going to mix this up really well. And if you have the kind of peanut butter that doesn't really want to blend well, just stick it in the microwave for a few seconds and this is up a bit. So I'm going to mix this really well. Now we have that mixed really well. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. Here's a whole grain for you. And then 6 tablespoons of Rice Krispies, or any kind of puffed rice. Give it that crunch. And of course, what fun would we have if we added some mini chocolate chips? 3 tablespoons. And they're semi-sweet. I couldn't find any dark chocolate ones, so it'll work. So for this part, it helps if you wet your hands a little to keep the mixture from sticking. All right, so I have wet my hands a little. All right. I'm going to roll them into 1-inch balls. They're really small, so 1 serving would be 4 balls. Okay. Okay, and here's the finished product after all that rolling. The recipe says I'm supposed to get 24 little balls, and by golly, I did. So I'm going to put these in I'm going to do the freezer for 10 minutes. I let them set, and then after that, you can either eat them or keep them in a airtight container. So my power balls have been cooling for about 10 minutes now, so let's give it a taste. You can taste the Rice Krispie and the chocolate and the oatmeal. And of course the peanut butter. Very delicious. So one serving is 4 of these, so very satisfying, protein-rich snack. Give it a try. The recipe is in the description box. Let me know if you try it.